Long ago, in a quiet little village between the hills, life was not always easy. Wild animals sometimes came too close, frightening the villagers. And when storms swept through strong winds and heavy rains often damaged their homes, the villagers wished for safety, but they didn't know how to protect themselves. Not far from the village stood a tall bamboo forest. Every day, a kind girl named Hana wandered among its green stalks. The bamboo swayed in the wind, making soft rustling sounds. One afternoon, while exploring, Hana heard a faint cry. She followed the sound and discovered a tiny golden bird caught in a hunter's net. "Oh no," Hana said gently. "Don't worry, I will help you." She carefully untangled the net until the little bird was free. "Fly now, little one," she said kindly. The golden bird chirped happily and soared high into the sky. That very night, as Hana sat by her window, the golden bird returned. Its feathers glowed in the moonlight. "You saved me, Hana," the bird said in a soft, sweet voice. "I will grant you one wish." Hana thought carefully. Then she said, "I wish for the bamboo forest to always protect our village." The bird nodded and disappeared into the night. The next morning, Hana noticed the bamboo had grown taller and thicker. By midday, the villagers were amazed. The forest had formed strong green walls. It blocked fierce winds during storms and kept wild animals away. Hana told the villagers what the bird had promised, that same golden bird, and they never forgot her wish. From then on, the villagers felt safe. They believed the bamboo was guarding them, all because of Hana's kind heart. And whenever the bamboo swayed in the breeze, the villagers remembered Hana's brave and selfless wish. Moral of the story: even the smallest act of kindness can create great change.